Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We are going to be making Uziza soup, and here are the ingredients that I'll be using. I have goat meat, dry fish, stock fish, and this yellow pepper and Uziza seed. I have palm oil, crayfish, then fermented locust beans, pomo, which is cow skin. This is the acha that I'll be using as my thickener, and that is the Uziza leaf. You can as well use cocoyam to make your thickener. So firstly, I'm going to boil my protein, which is the goat meat and cow skin. The cow skin is tough, that is why I'm cooking everything together at the same time. The only thing I'm going to add to this protein is I'm going to season this protein with Maggi and salt. I add in 1 yellow pepper, mix everything together, cover and allow it to boil on its own juice before adding in any water. Here I'm going to blend my yellow bell pepper and the Uziza seed. I'm going to blend my Uziza seed, yellow bell pepper and some crayfish. So I add in a little bit of water to blend it, to enable it to blend very well. I'm done blending, so I'll be checking in on my protein. I didn't add any water. This water came out of this meat, so I'll mix that, then I'll add enough water. After some time, my meat is ready. I've added in my stock fish. I'll add in the dry fish. So I'll add water now. That will be enough for my soup. So that is the quantity of water that I want. Then I'll now add in my blended Uziza seed, pepper and crayfish. I'll add in my oil, cover and allow it to boil. You can see how everything is bubbling. I use water to melt my fermented locust beans. So it's now time for me to add in my acha. I'll use water to mix it because I don't want it to have lumps. Mix everything together, cover and allow it to cook. It's as simple as this. Very simple but delicious soup. Uziza soup is very delicious. This achi used to be very thick, so I'll add in more water because when you drop it, it will be getting thicker the more. Cover and allow it to boil before I add in the Uziza leaf. It's now time for me to add in the Uziza leaf. So I taste, I have some adjustments to make, so I add in 1 cube and a little bit of salt. If you are new here and you have not subscribed, please kindly subscribe to my channel. Support your girl, subscribe, share my video, and turn on the bell notification to get notified whenever I post a new video. Share this video, you don't know who may need it. Please like my video so that it can reach a larger audience. Thank you. To our returning subscriber, you guys are the real MVP. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you for always being there. And to our new subscriber, thank you so much for clicking that subscribe button. You are not going to regret joining this family. Choice your fufu, gari, semo, but I'm having mine with gari. This soup is so delicious. I want you to try it out and give me a feedback in my comment section. Thank you all so much for your support. I really appreciate you all. I can't thank you enough. See you all in my next one. Bye.